Lifestyle liabilities. I think we all know that it's easy to let lifestyle escalate as our income goes up. It feels good, feels like we should be able to do so. And I'm not saying people shouldn't do that, but when people let their lifestyle, elevate at beyond their ability to earn the income or have assets produce the income, of course, that's where the problem happens. And the creep happens gradually. And I talked to so many docs who, are in their late 50s and early 60s or mid 60s, and they've done well to provide for their family over the years, but they never had anything that stuck. Meaning, what are the assets? Got a little bit in the retirement plan. Hopefully, I can sell my practice for, XYZ. But man, with all the millions of dollars that came through their hands, figuratively in their business, very little stuck. And I think that's a big problem today. The margin you want to have is what lets you actually live your life and not feel guilty that you're not working like 4 days a week and missing all the opportunities with your family. And that's where I see so many people giving up too much because they're not sure and they haven't had the proper financial education to know how to make their money work for them as well as they know how to make the money. Two different things. We get good at making the money because of our skill set and our education, but we abdicate typically to somebody else to say, well, you take care of the money part. I think it's a big mistake, a big mistake. So here's just a question that you answer to yourself. How do you feel that you index, meaning I'll give you a scale of 1 to 10 at home with your family and your close relationships? Number one, do you feel like you're under indexing at home? It is hard to balance everything. So do you feel like, on a scale of 1 to 10, where are you? Are you below five, or are you above? If you're above five or moving towards 10, then you're doing a good job and you should feel good about that. However you manage to do that, not feel guilty that you're giving up too much on the net worth and the income side, but you're spending time with your family. Good for you. Most people, hardworking professionals, highly educated, find that they're indexing on the lower end of the scale. And again, I think that's a problem. How do we overcome that and not live life with regrets?